they don't necessarily understand the intention of a given component or how to compose a consistent design system holistically from a 10,000 foot view. A lot of folks have transitioned to using something like a Claude Code or a Codex where they're chatting with the agent. You can even still do that in Cursor. I think most of us at Headway are using a terminal-based workflow with tmux and maybe something like lazygit in a left pane and your chat in the right pane. At least that's one of the ways that I'm doing a lot. And I'm in the IDE less and less these days. But if you have an actual design that you're working from and you're not just quote unquote vibe coding or saying, hey, build me this thing and just hoping that it's going to grab UI somewhere, you do also have to still be in Figma. And I think the next level up from chatting and vibe coding is a lot of folks probably take screenshots of either a UI component that they see in a kit somewhere online or maybe of their Figma screen directly. And what zoom are you at in Figma? What did you crop in or out? What particular button or element is visible in that frame or not in Figma? So it can get kind of dicey if you're relying on sort of that computer vision capability of the agents and the current frontier models. They're good, right? They're really quite good. And they can even measure pixels and figure out the rounding and all of that. But they don't necessarily understand the intention of a given component or how to compose a consistent design system holistically from a 10,000 foot view. They just understand you want this thing achieved. I will do everything I can to achieve it. Unless my context is high, then I'll cut a few corners, right? Can even fall further down the path there, even when you have specific Figma files that you're, say, sending a screenshot.